Yeah, yeah.
Let's say if I'm running some OSPF or BGP inside of my LAN environment, how do they communicate with the other edge locations?
Yeah, that's something I will configure. That part is also pending. I will show you in this. That's the reason I have deployed this lab in this way. I will configure one BGP between this switch and this edge, and this PC will be able to communicate to other sites.
Yeah,
I will
that
show.
actually is
Yeah.
I'm trying to do.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, if you are trying to do so, we can do it now, no problem. Give me 1 minute. We can start.
So that should be a kind of a redistribution into OMP and BGP by vice
Correct.
versa, right?
Correct, correct, correct. Your idea is perfectly correct. Let me configure this one. Actually, I was looking for the application aware routing. So one of the document I have found it. I will show you that how it works because application level in production traffic is not there, so we will not able to select here because we don't have production traffic. But this is also one of the application aware routing policy that works if you would define any destination prefix list. Suppose not application we are defining. If you will define that if any of one of the branch will try to reach this prefixes which is available on the data center. Suppose this is the IP of one of the application, right? And the branch will try to reach this one. So it will prefer the MPLS color or internet color, whatever you will define, and another color will be the backup. So that's something we can do in our lab. That if and then we will define one SLA class. Suppose we have defined the MPLS is preferred, and we have defined one SLA class, the latency is maximum 550 ms. If it will breach this condition, if MPLS is having more than 50 ms latency, then backup color is already available with internet. And that simulation we can see in the vManage that whatever policy we have defined, is it working in that way or not. So I will show you that one. Let me note it down so that I will not forget. Application aware routing. So the just basic condition. First, we will assign one IP here. Basic IP addressing we need to do. So admin show interface description. So we have this port connected GE02 002 config VPN interface GE00/2 no shutdown IP address 192.168.2.1/24. You can see option done. It's depend on you that you want to configure eBGP or iBGP. So, Distribute connected. Static we are not using, so redistribute OMP. So from here in BGP we distributing for to the OMP and commit. Okay, sorry, neighbor neighbor 192.168.2.2. I think we have given one here. Yeah, two. Yes, 6552. That's it. This one no. Any other things? This family. Okay. And what thing we need to do? Show remote config. Here I need to advertise BGP under the OMP. Config B OMP advertise BGP. That's it. I will configure this. Here we are using G00 on this switch. Config D is G0/0. No shutdown. My address. Switch port. My address. 192.168.2.2. 55.255.255.0 and 652 neighbor 192.168.2.1 remote is remote is 6551. Redistribute connected. Show IP interface B. Summary. It is up now. And on another interface G0/11 PC is connected 10.30.10.2. So we will see that on any other branch. If I will close this one, we manage. So if I will go here first before configuring that, admin and show on V routes. So here we will not able to see 10.30 subnet. Right now it is not advertising. Right, 10.192.168.2.0 is there. Right, from where we are receiving show PFP sessions like that. You will see 192.168.2.2. We are receiving from system IP. Okay, it is also there. 2.2 is there. Okay, give me 1 minute. This maybe and 192.168.2.2. 2.2. This IP I think we need to change. Okay. Config D interface 0/0 address 192.168.30.255.255.255.0 router BGP 6555 no neighbor 192.168.2.1 remote is 6551 neighbor 192.168.30.1 remote is 6551. That's it.
Who is 192.168.60.1?
Okay. It's a typo mistake. I need to type the 30.1 actually. Yes, sir. Good catch. Config T routers. Actually, I'm changing the IP. There is some duplicacy of this IP. So 655. We're not able to see. No neighbor. 160.60.1 remote is
60.
0. Yes, 655.1. Neighbor will be 192.168.30.1 plus 30 we have assigned here. So mode is 6551 and on branch we need to change 150 VPN 1 no VPN 10. Oh, I'm on branch 1. I need to do the config on branch 3. So running config. It's a switch. It's a branch. Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.